So your job is to conditionally format your name in the shape of a crossword puzzle. So first things first, type out your name with one letter in each cell at a time. I would recommend turning on the cap locks key. So I'm going to do my niece. So what your job is, you want your letters to intersect your name. You want the letters to intersect your name. I don't care how you do this. I'll start here. And if you mess up, you can always remember to add another row, because I messed up and spelled her name incorrectly. And let's go with this one. Okay, so there's her name. Before we go any further, let's select all the data and let's make everything centered vertically and horizontally so it looks nicer. Then I want you to go through, select the cells that actually have words in it, add the little border so it looks like actual cells. Don't worry, we're going to do more with this later in the week or a different assignment, but just practice. Now I've got a bunch of extra cells, so I'm going to get rid of these two columns that I don't need. Going to delete those. I'm going to get rid of these columns over here for now, just because it makes things a little easier to read and then I don't have to hunt for stuff. So that's just formatting, formulating, and setting it up. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to conditionally format this. You choose your colors. I'm going to come up here to Format, Conditional Formatting. If B2 is not empty is what it says right now. So I want to change it to if B2 text is exactly a A. I can't type. I want it to fill it with purple. Hey, look, it works. I'm going to add another rule. However, if the text does not contain an A, I want it to turn yellow. I'm going to hit the done, click off of it, erase that cell. Hey, look, it's yellow. But if I put the A back in there, it's purple. I would recommend typing in all caps, but that's just my recommendation. What if I do put a capital A? It's still purple. But if I put a G, it goes yellow. If it's empty, it's yellow. So you decide how you want your letters to look. So I'm going to go again with the next cell. If you closed it for some crazy reason, it's under conditional formatting, format conditional formatting. Otherwise, add another rule. This time again, try to stick similar color schemes. You don't have to, but it looks better. So I'm going to go with an L. And again, if it is the L, I'm going to go purple. And I'm going to add another rule that says if text does not contain the L, I'm going to change the color to that. So again, just check it to make sure it's working. So keep going through. So as you see, when you go back through the letters, it should all come out perfectly. If I just erase these, they'll go back to the other color. Again, this will help set you up for the another assignment we're going to do later this week. At the bottom of the screen, if you would please type out your entire name so I know what you did. Again, your entire name so I know what you did. I would really appreciate it.